Social Studies, Chapter 3, The Northern Plains. Children, what you eat at your home? Whatever you eat, the major portion will be rice or chapati. For breakfast, we eat chapati, dosa, idli sambar, puttu, appam, etc. Coming to meal, we eat rice or chapati. Whatever you have, they are basically made of either rice or wheat. In other words, we can say rice or wheat forms the major portion of our meals. Where do we cultivate these rice and wheat? Well, most of our rice and wheat mainly come from one single region, the Northern Plains. Today we study about the second division, the Northern Plains. The Northern Plains have very fertile soil which is needed to cultivate the crops. In this chapter we will discuss important location of the Northern Plains, important states it covers, important rivers that originates from the Northern Plains, and the life in the region. So we will discuss one by one. Okay. The Northern Plains stretches from Punjab to Assam. It is flat and level and very densely populated. Children, do you know many rivers originating in the Himalaya mountains flow through the Northern Plains. These rivers carry water throughout the year. The fine silt deposited along the river banks is called alluvium. Alluvial soil is good for crops. That's the reason why crops grow very well in this region. The area watered by a river and its tributaries is called its basin. The three main rivers of Northern Plains are Satluj, Ganga and Brahmaputra. The Satluj river basin. The main tributary is Beas river. The Bakra dam is built across river Satluj. The Ganga river basin. The river Ganga originates from Gangotri glacier. River Yamuna is the main tributary of river Ganga. The Yamuna and Ganga joins a place called the Sangam. The Ganga river flows through Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and West Bengal. In West Bengal, the Ganga splits into two branches. One branch enters Bangladesh and is called Patma. The other branch flows through India and is called the Hooghly. Kolkata is situated on the bank of river Hooghly. You can see Howrah Bridge and Hooghly river in this picture. The Brahmaputra river basin. Brahmaputra originates in Tibet. There it is called Sangpo. Brahmaputra is an important source of irrigation in India. The Brahmaputra and the Ganga form the largest delta called the Sundarbans Delta. It is a famous mangrove forest and also famous for Bengal Tiger Reserve Center. Children, this much for today's portion. We will continue in next class.